500. Here we are. We got hit at 860 on the low. Is that true or false, Leo? Did we get hit at 860?
Yeah.
Okay, now that we got hit at 860, I just seen 1,500 contracts traded at $9. Another 1,000 contracts traded at $9. Another 900 contracts traded on the S&P 500. Now, I apologize. Sometimes the volume setting gets out of control on this audio thing, so let me make sure that it keeps it at a certain level here. Now, the thing about it is, Brian Plain, make them pay you. Throw that out there. We got hit. Here's our 3 contracts at 860. Throw that order out there at $10.20 and make them pay you. Now, throw it out there at $10.20. It's $10.50. You undercut them. You make them pay a price. You make them pay a price. Ron Pfeiffer, do you see these contracts traded here? Ron Pfeiffer.
I do.
Who is in control? Ron Pfeiffer.
You are.
Learn how to master trading S&P 500 index options. Not only that, how do we make decisions? We make decisions based on the S&P 500 using our trading application right here in the video. And we are out to sell the contracts. We will hold these contracts. As I said, S&P is only down 2 handles. The upper end of that resistance could be 1342 on the S&P. Later in the day, the thing that I want my MMTs to understand, that you will learn it not just on the S&P 500. You will learn it on other index options as well. And Rick Goley, when I said Amazon was going to break the high, you're in that trade?
Yeah, I've got to stop out at 50 pennies. Is that
okay, you let that Amazon.com go up there, Rick Goley.
Did you hear me?
Yes, I heard you. Once again, he mastered that wholesale bid. He mastered that wholesale bid. Throw those contracts out at 1020, Brian Plain. Come off the 1040. Let's see who's out there. 1020 is you right there. We just changed the ask to 1020. They have to pay us. I am in control of the S&P. Come off the 1020 and see where he is. Count to 1001, 1002, 1003. Our limit entry is 860 on 3. Then the big daddies came in and bought at $9. 1040 is out there. 1050. Let's see if they keep raising that bid. 1060. Let's see if they keep raising that bid. Throw it out there at 1040 now. Throw it out there at 1040. Cut that guy off at 1060. This is live, isn't it, Leo? Isn't it, Ron Pfeiffer? This isn't after the fact. We got the entry here. We stole that bid. The close was 1150. Learn how to master the S&P 500. Rick Goley,
I'm at 70 pennies on the stop.
Okay, 70 pennies on the stop. Ken Flagg, go check out that Amazon half bar. Now, we're out at 1040 to sell. Come off of the 1040 now. Go ahead. Let's see if they raise the, let's see, come off of the 1040. Did you come off, Brian?
I'm off.
Okay, so 1040 is stuck. 1050. Now, let's see if we can get them to raise that up. Now, let's see if we can get them to raise that ask. If he doesn't go higher than 50 cents, then what you would do to entice that 880 is you would throw it out at 10 and count to 1001, 1002, 1003, and that's 50 cents. There you are at 10. 1001, 1002, 1003. They had a chance to buy. Come off of it. So you got 1010. See how he manipulated the 1050? Now let's see. Now that we did that, who's controlling these people? Who's controlling who? We're controlling their emotions. He's going right back up to 1040 on the ask.
That's me.
That's you on the 1040?
I'm 1040, yeah.
Come up to 1040 and see if he goes up above it. Look at how wide the bid and ask is. Remember, if we ever got in trouble, are you stopped out with the profit?
Yep.
He's stopped.
Nice little profit.
Okay. So basically, our entry is 860 on 3 contracts. This was us right here. Then look at all the big ones that came in. So throw it out at 1020. Throw it out at 1020. Undercut them and just keep working these people. You control all of them in the S&P using 3 contracts while they're trading in the hundreds and thousands of contracts. That is huge money. Once again, come off of the 1020 and let's do some dancing around. Let's get them to pay us. We need that S&P 500 to break higher. We need that S&P 500 to break up above that 1337 handle. 1337, that 1335 on that S&P.